पास बचे हैं और अभी भी 300 से 600 अपने पास मास्क।
क्योंकि ये 2 महीने डिसाइड करेंगे कि तुम डॉक्टर बनोगे, तुम एम्स में जाओगे।
3 महीने के अंदर नीट क्रैक करना 680 690 प्लस लाना पॉसिबल है,
जिससे जीरो लेवल से हद जीरो लेवल से भी।
अगर मैं पूरी साल की बात करूं तो मैंने बस 2.5 महीने ही पढ़ाई करी है नीट यूजी के लिए।
इस वीडियो में मैं एग्जैक्टली बताऊंगा मैंने 2 महीनों में कैसे नीट क्रैक किया था, और बहुत सारे लोगों को पहले ही मैं बताता हूं जिनको लग रहा होगा इम्पॉसिबल है।
You heard it, haven't you? 0 to 700 in 3 months, 350 to 650 in 2 months. Sounds like magic. Feels like hope crest as a shortcut. But let's cut the fantasy. There's no magic here. Just you, the clock, and hard grind of NEET UG 2025. This isn't a fairy tale. No glass slippers, no midnight miracles. This is a war. And the battlefield is not the same it was 2, 3 or 5 years ago. You are not just a student with books in their hands. You are standing face to face with the warriors who have bled for this, the ones who have swallowed failure, win over self-doubt, and still showed up for another round. Last year, 700 marks didn't guarantee glory. It gave someone a rank of 2000. At 685, you weren't a star. You were 7,000 in the line. That's the truth, raw, unfiltered, and brutal. Now let's talk about these gurus, the ones handing out advice like candy on Instagram. Follow my strategy and you'll crack in 2 months. Really? Score 650 plus, guaranteed. The classic 180 by 180 in physics promise, wrapped up in shiny ads sold up by people who swear they cracked the code. Let's talk about one of those experts, Parth Goel, selling physics hackbook, telling you that if your basics are clear, you can easily score 650 plus from now on. Sounds easy, doesn't it? But here's what they don't tell you. This guy never scored 180 by 180 in physics himself. And sure, he did score 670 marks once. Back then, that was enough to land him a rank under 300. Respect where it's due. But let's be real, this isn't his battlefield anymore. Today, 670 marks won't even scratch the surface. You will be staring at a 10,000 rank with that same score. Let's talk about another name, Rakshita Singh, giving out advices like she's cracked the code since last year, telling you what to do, how to do it, promising that 630 plus is just a few tips away. But here's the question, how many marks did she actually score? 590 and got government college. Respect for that, but here's the reality check. If she scored that same 590 in last year NEET UG, she wouldn't be looking at government seat. She would be staring at 1 lakh rank. Yes, I repeat, 1 lakh rank. So tell me, how is she in any position to guide you through this battlefield and competition? This isn't her war anymore. This competition today is brutal, next level tough. You are not just competing with fresh faces. You are up against students who have been grinding for years, who have failed, come back stronger, and are hungry for every single mark. Here's the truth no one wants to say. Parth, Rakshita, all these peoples handing out advice like candy. They didn't face the version of this exam. Their scores wouldn't even touch the same rank today. You think 630 plus guarantee you a government college now? Wake up. Last year, that score would have left you sitting at 50,000 rank. This is your war, and trust me, they don't know what it takes to survive here, and I won't be stand here pretending I do either. My fight, that was different time, a different game, but I'll tell you what no one else will. The truth. Let's be clear. I'm not saying improvement is impossible in 2 months. You can push forward, you can make a difference, but jumping from 50 to 160 in physics in 60 days, that's not how this works. You need perfection in every single concept to be there. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just focused, discipline, and grind. And trust me, if you are sitting there thinking you can suddenly master the physics overnight, you are setting yourself up for regret. Now, stop chasing shiny new topics. Stop falling for Instagram gurus feeding you fantasy-filled lies. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to save you from that gut punch moment after the exam when it hits you. They sold you dreams that never had a chance. What should you do now? It's simple. Revise what you already know. Master it. Prioritize high-yield topics. You don't have time to cover everything. Practice. Past papers, mock test, again and again. No panic, no stress, just clear-headed discipline. Let's set one thing straight. NEET UG doesn't define your future. Get it? Right now, it feels like everything's riding on this one exam. Every hour feels heavy. Every mistake feels like it's the end of the road. This It's just one battle in a much bigger war. You want to win? Then fight. Fight hard. But don't put the pressure crush you before even you step into the battlefield. If things don't go your way, it's not the end. I know it feels like failure would have been the end of everything, but trust me, it won't be. Life doesn't stop here. There are countless paths ahead, doors you can't even see yet, but you'll only find them if you have the guts to keep moving forward. You've got 60 days. That's it. No more pretending you need motivation. You don't need to sit around waiting for some magic spark for a hope to light you up. You need discipline. You need clarity. Every hour from now should mean something. Every minute should be a step forward. No distractions. No endless scrolling. No getting lost. No overthinking. Stop doubting whether you are good enough. Because you are. No magic formulas. There are no secret hacks. No shortcuts. Just raw, relentless focus. You're not late. You're exactly where you need to be. Whatever you have done till now, it's enough to build on. Own it. No more beating yourself up. No more overthinking what could have been. It's okay. Breathe. Be proud of now where you are, how far you have come. Even if it doesn't feel like much right now. Now just keep going. Stay calm, stay steady. You don't need to stress over what might happen, whether you clear the exam or not. That's not today's problem. Your job is simple. Show up every day and do the work. No drama, no fear, just you, your books, and the effort you can give right now. And if things don't go your way, that's okay. This exam isn't the end of your story. It's just one chapter, and trust me, there's so many much more ahead. So relaxed, stay focused, keep moving. You're stronger than you think, and this is just a beginning. Good luck, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.